So the seminar is a good opportunity a couple of times a year for everyone to get together and meet prospective candidates, get development champions together, to give everyone an opportunity to talk about how we can get more individuals applying to the organisation, how we can support them once they have applied. Police officers are from the community. It goes right back to the core of the principles of policing about being members of and part of communities. When we started the scheme, less than 2% of the organisation was from BME community, BME background. And that's against a population of 7% out there within South Wales Police and growing. So we needed to catch up and catch up quickly.
I think this is a great example of the sort of engagement that South Wales Police are trying to achieve by bringing people in, giving the opportunity to see the sort of relationships that are built up within policing and to encourage them to take the step of applying and seeking to come either police officers or PCSOs or members of police staff. In the past, one of the barriers has been the sort of qualifications that people need to get in. With the changes to people being able to take up a graduate apprenticeship, it means that somebody can actually gain the qualifications they need after joining the police and at the same time get a degree.
I'm pleased to say that over the last 3 years, we've significantly increased the numbers interested in applying to join South Wales Police, and we've seen coming through numbers joining the organisation. It's really, really positive.